Hey guys, this is Akansha and welcome to Tech Master Ernie. In our previous session, we have covered the point defect and line defect. In today's session, we will cover surface defects. So do watch all the previous video to get the better understanding. So in today's session, we will see what all are the surface defects. First one is a grain boundary, then tilt boundary, twin boundary and stacking fault. So we will start with the stacking fault. To understand it, we need to understand two types of crystal structure. So let's see. So here first type of crystal structure is HCP, where the same type of atom will repeat after one another atom. So you can say here A, B, A, B, A, B, so on. So you can see the A will come alternatively, also B will come alternatively. So here the atom will come alternatively. So it is HCP type of structure. The another structure we have is CCP, cubic closed pack structure, in which the same atom will repeat after two different atoms. So let's see here. We have C, B, A, C, B, A, C, B, A. So let's see. C will come after two different structure of B and A. Also B will come after two different atom structure of A and C. Again BA will come after two different structure of C and B. So you can see here each type of atom will come after two different structure of another atom. So this is what we called as CCP. Hope you have understood it. Now we can better understand the stacking fault. So, stacking means sequencing of the atom in the crystal. So, stacking fault means if there is an irregularity of the atoms in the crystal, then there is a stacking fault. So, let's see in the diagram, we have CBA, CBA, CBA. And just now we have understood that this type of structure is CCP. So, due to the stacking fault, we have missing C. So, let's see what will happen. This C will come here, this B will come here, this A will come here. So, there is no C. So, again B will come here, A will come here, C will come here and so on. So, you can see here the structure is ACB. Also, structure is ACB. But in bit and we know that ACB type of structure is CCP structure. But in between two CCP structure, now we can see there is BABA, which is HCP structure. So in stacking fault between two CCP structure, we have created one HCP structure. So this is called stacking fault. Also you can see here below the stacking fault, we have same crystal structure. B is come here, A came here, C came here, B came here. But above this fault, we have translation of the atoms. You can see C come here, B came here and A came here. So there is a translation of C by one lattice unit of A structure. So below the fault, we have exact same sequence and above the fault we have translation error. So this is all about the stacking fault. There are two type of stacking fault. First one is extrinsic stacking fault where insertion of extra plane happen, and second is removal of plane which is called intrinsic stacking fault. So the next type of fault is grain boundary. We know that our whole structure of any material is divided into grains and the orientation of atom in each grain is similar, which is different from another grain. But due to this boundary, we have some error. So there are two types of error. First one is depending upon the magnitude. When the angle of the rotational boundary is less than 5 degree, it is called small angle boundary error. and if the angle is more than 5 degree, then it is called large angle boundary error. The next error is with respect to the rotational axis and the boundary axis. Let's see, we have two types of error, tilt boundary and twist boundary. So, in the tilt boundary, rotational axis and boundary axes are parallel. So, let's see here in the diagram. Here, the rotation is happen in this direction. So, the rotational axis is this. And the plane axis and the boundary axis also this. So, there is a parallelism between the rotational axis and the boundary axis. So, it is called tilt boundary. The next type of defect is twist boundary. In twist boundary, rotational axis is perpendicular to boundary axis. So, let's see here. Here, the rotational axis is this and our plane of or boundary axis is this only. So, there is a perpendicular mechanism between the rotational axis and the plane of atom. So, this is called twist boundary. The next type of defect is a twin boundary defect. In twin boundary defect, we have a boundary and both sides of these boundaries are mirror image. You can see here this part and this parts are mirror image of each other. So this is what we call as twin boundary. And it is formed due to shear stress. So this is all about the surface defect. Next what we have is a volume defect. Volume defect is a three-dimensional defect and it is also known as bulk defect, under which we have pores, cracks, foreign inclusion. Pores will affect optical, thermal and mechanical property. Then comes cracks. It will affect mechanical properties. And then comes foreign inclusion. Foreign inclusion means there is a accumulation of foreign atoms in the bulk structure and it will affect electrical and mechanical also optical property. So this is all about the defects. So if you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you so much.